2024 BMW S1000RR with an Akrapovic exhaust. We're going to change that to an Austin Racing can, and we're going to keep the cat. So this is what it sounds like with just the Akrapovic can and the cat. Let's get that changed. So to remove this end can, we're going to take this bolt off, this bolt off. Slowly slide that out. So we're going to line this up, we're going to pop this in, do that all up, and then we'll come back to you. We've got the Austin Racing exhaust on. We're going to turn this on and see what it sounds like. And that's how